everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about this Smitten box, or you can say this Smitten app, where you can get sample size products before buying them for free. So yeah, this app is kind of the Nykaa app where you can order the skincare products, beauty products. The plus point of this app is they will send you the sample size product before ordering them for the first time use. So I have done ordering my 3 sample size products. So if you wanna get them, you just have to download the app. After downloading the app, they will ask you initial informations like name, address, phone number, and then they will come up with a page where you can see all the sample size products. You can add 3 products at the time of ordering the samples, and it will take only the shipping charges, and it is really nominal. So yeah, this is really simple. Yeah, let's see what I've got in my Smitten box. So this Smitten box looks like this. It's a very pretty white colored box. I really like the packaging. It's really good, and the delivery is really fast. It came within 2 days. So it has a very fast delivery. So you don't have to wait for a month or for a week to get it. So yeah, let's see. So the inside of the box looks like this. As you can see, I have already opened it. So I have got this natural bath and bodies rose and mint facial water, which looks like this, and it's, I guess, a sample size product, and it's not for sale. The 30 ml of product, and I can't tell you the price because it's a sample size product for using. It's a perfect rose and mint smell, and I'm just really looking forward to use it. And then I have got this Mamaearth Botanicals Rose Shower Gel, and yeah, you can say that I'm a very rose kind of a person. I love rose smell. I like everything which has a rosy smell in it, and this shower gel is a sample size product again, and I guess so it's a tested and not for sale, so I cannot tell you the exact price. And it's a 30 ml of product again, and oh, it has a beautiful smell in it. I cannot tell you guys. And the next product I have got. So next thing I have got this Fresh Look grey colored contact lenses. I don't know whether you can see this or not. It's a one-time use contact lenses. I haven't used contact lenses before, and I was really looking forward to have this one, but this is a one-time use, so I cannot use it right now and show you guys. I will definitely share pictures once I use it, my Instagram account or my Facebook page, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so this is the contact lenses, and this is from a Fresh Look. I have seen so many contact lenses from Fresh Look and in all kind of social media, so I am really excited to use this. This is what I have got in my Smitten box. Hope you like it, and if you wanna try the free samples, I will link down in my description box. Do check it out, and do let me know what you have got in your Smitten box. And hope you like the video. If you like it, please take a moment and click the like button, and if you are not yet my subscriber, click the subscribe button before leaving. So till then, take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.